Hi guys, so here's our first lesson on how to use our TI-84 calculators. The very first thing as statisticians that we often need to do is get data into a list. We're going to start with a single list of raw data. To put this data in a list, I'm going to press Stat, and then I'm going to select the Edit option by pressing Enter. And it takes you to a screen that looks like a spreadsheet, sort of like you'd see in Google Sheets or Excel. To get the data into the list, we're going to press the number and then enter. And you notice it drops you down to the next cell. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to keep typing numbers and pressing enter. And you'll notice this list has 16 digits in it, and I end up with my last digit in the 16th row. And that's something we always want to check as statisticians. If I know I had 20 data points, I should end up in the 20th row. That ensures that we didn't miss any data values. Now that my data is in a list, there are a few commands that I can perform on it. And the most helpful is sorting that list. So I'm going to go back to Stat, and you'll notice that beneath the Edit button that we press to get to the list menu, there's a Sort A and a Sort D. Sort A sorts it from smallest to largest. Sort D sorts it from largest. Did I just say that backwards? Sort A sorts it from smallest to largest. Sort D sorts it from largest to smallest. Whew. Sorry guys, it's a Saturday. Let's go ahead and sort this list from smallest to largest. So I'm going to select Sort A and press Enter. And then I need to tell Sort A command where my data is. So I need to tell it I put it in list 1. If you look at the number buttons, you'll notice in blue there are the list names. 1 has an L1 above it. 2 has an L2 above it. To access those items in blue, I have to press the second button first. So I'm going to press second 1, and it pulls up list name 1. I'm going to close my parentheses and press Enter to run the command. And all the calculator does is tell me that it's done. I can now go back to the Stat Edit menu, and I can see that same data set now sorted all the way from 0 at my smallest to 9 at my biggest. That's really helpful for things like stem plots and dot plots where I need that data sorted. It can also help with histograms, because we know for histograms when we're grouping, it's easier to pick off those values when the ones that are continuous are right next to each other. All right, in our next video, we'll start talking about the one variable statistics menu. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or drop by room 111.